What's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in. So, I promised from my last video that I would show you how I achieve these curls using Flexi Rods. So, if you're interested, then please keep watching. So, I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I divided my hair into 4 sections and I just applied the Camille Rose Naturals Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard as a leave-in to my hair. And I'm just going to comb it out, starting from the ends and working my way up to the top. I am going to be using 2 different perm rods. I'm going to use the blue perm rods. Flexi rods, not perm rods. So my hair is going to be, the curls are going to be a little bigger in the back. And I'm going to use the red ones for the front. They'll be a little bit smaller. The only product that I'm going to be using is my trusty old Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I told y'all I could literally use this on like all of my styles. I know some people like to use like the mousse, like the wrap stuff, which that works too. It does make your hair like hard, so the style will last longer. But I like how this makes my curls, they feel like really soft and they're moisturized. It may not last as long. It really just depends on what you want. So y'all, I got about this much hair. I'm gonna just divide it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm going to get my dimming brush and just go through it just to make sure there's no tangles, that it can wrap around the rod smoothly. Oh, y'all, check out them curls. A dimming brush does really good with defining. But, so I'm just going to take my rod. You can curl it inside, you can curl it out. I'm gonna do it outer, and there's different ways you could wrap it around, but this is just the way that I do it. So I'm just going to wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod. If I called it a perm rod earlier, my apologies. I switch them back and forth. These are Flexi Rods. So just wrap it, clasp the end, and clasp this end. Just like that. Take the next one, put a little bit of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Again, I'm going to use my dimming brush and just, ooh. Y'all, it's just gliding through my hair. Y'all, look at that. If you don't have one of these brushes, try them out. Okay, so I'm going to take another one of these blue Flexi Rods. And just gonna wrap it around. Wrap the ends so they don't come unraveled. And I kind of twist it a little bit too, y'all, so it's not loose in here in the roots. And just clasp the ends. So we're just gonna do that throughout. outside and it's snowing, yes, it's a new day. So what I ended up doing, I sat under the dryer for like 2 hours, but I didn't end up going anywhere. So I just slept with these wonderful things in my head overnight, and it was so uncomfortable. So I like scrunched up my pillow like really tight, as tight as I could, and I put it like right here in this little section so that these could hang. It relieved a little bit because for most of the night I was just like laying on them and they were so uncomfortable. Y'all, it was such a struggle. Man, they were so uncomfortable. But I know for a fact that they are 100% dry. So let's see how they come out. I'm excited. So I'm going to start from the back. So I'm going to just flip this side and flip this. If y'all can see, put it down a little bit. Twist it. Twist it. See? Ooh. There's a curl. Y'all know what? I think I curled it the wrong way. I wanted it to, well, we'll see. Let's finish. Ooh, this is how I wanted them, y'all. Y'all, look at the difference between, you see how you can get different types of curls with these? Which some people might want them curled coily. But, so now, all I'm going to do is begin to separate them and fluff them out. So I'm going to be using my almond oil. So I'm just going to rub this throughout my hands. Actually, I'm gonna start from the back. And I'm just doing a little twirl too, in the direction, the same direction. So you can separate them as much as you want. Alright, so off camera I went and fluffed up my hair a little more, separated it some more. And this is the final result. So as you can see, this side came out more spirally and this side came out more coily. So it's basically based off of the way that I wrapped, the direction that I wrapped my hair in. So I believe over here I wrapped it like going inwards, I think. I don't remember. And then on this side I wrapped it going out. As you can see, it gave me different results. I wanted everything to be spirally, but this is really pretty too. I like it. So, and I went ahead and I ended up using the Eco Styler gel to get my swoops, my edges in order. So this is pretty much it, y'all. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also remember to hit the bell so that you are notified each time I post a video. Until next time.